You know how General Grievous is always coughing like a chain-smoking droid? Most people think it's just because he's part machine. But here's what really happened. Mace Windu crushed his lungs using the Force. In the animated Clone Wars series, right before Grievous escapes with Palpatine, Windu hits him with a Force crush to the chest, and that's why he's wheezing in Revenge of the Sith. He didn't get sick, he got Force choked so hard he needed robotics to help his breathing. So yeah, Grievous didn't cough because he was weak. He coughed because Windu still had his hands to Force crush.